Look at this trade execution on IQ option. A clean, decisive 5-minute reversal entry that hit the target perfectly. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact raw setup behind this trade so you can replicate the logic on your own charts. We are combining the power of the Blue Sky final version indicator with my own custom-made support and resistance level indicator on MetaTrader 4. By using these levels as a structural filter, we can eliminate false signals and only take trades where momentum meets heavy market structure. I've also loaded my custom candle timer to ensure precise execution right down to the second. And by the way, if you want to test these tools yourself, I have provided the free download link for the indicators right inside the video description below. Before we break down the rules, a quick but important reminder. Trading financial instruments involves significant risk. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only to show the mechanics of technical indicators. It is not financial advice. Always practice discipline and test your strategies thoroughly on a demo account first. Let's break down the rules. Our foundation is built on a 1-minute candle time frame, and every single trade we take will have a strict 5-minute expiry. For a buy trade, we look for two conditions to align perfectly. First, the Blue Sky indicator must print a bullish buy signal. Second, and most importantly, that signal must appear right at our custom major support level. Structure is our shield. The exact opposite applies for a sell trade. We wait for a bearish Blue Sky signal to print, but we only execute if the price is actively testing a key resistance level. If an arrow prints in the middle of nowhere without a level, we ignore it completely. Patience is what separates professional traders from gamblers. Now, look closely at the timing. Why do we need the candle timer? Because we never jump into a trade while a candle is still moving. We wait for the timer to hit 0, confirming that the candle is closed and the Blue Sky arrow is locked in. Watch how the price taps the level here on MT4. The timer expires, the signal is confirmed, and we immediately switch to IQ option to lock in our 5-minute expiry trade. Let's watch exactly how this price action played out live. Look at this first phase of the trade, captured at the exact second the buy order is placed. Look carefully at the structure on the left chart. The price had been in a strong downward move, and a very significant red candle pushed down with high volume. But notice its structure. It closed with a long wick at the bottom, indicating that buyers were already starting to step in. Right at the bottom of that wick, a powerful confluence happened. Our market structure indicator on the right showed that the price was aggressively pushing past a broken level, signaling extreme exhaustion. At the exact same time, our on-chart system signaled a major reversal zone. When a momentum signal prints right at a key structural level, it gives us a high probability entry point. We immediately execute a 5-minute buy trade, right at the absolute bottom of that wick, aiming to catch the reversal momentum as the market turns. Now, look at the trade in full progress, and this is where discipline is everything. Look at how the chart structure has completely shifted. After our entry, the price immediately began forming clean, increasing green candles, moving strongly upward, and validating our reversal setup. At this point, the trade is well into positive territory, demonstrating that our filtering was successful. Notice how cleanly the price action is respecting the upward momentum. This phase of the video is crucial to understand because it shows how a strong signal filter allows you to avoid false moves and catch the true, powerful wave of a market turning point. By combining the reversal indicator with established horizontal levels, we remove the guesswork and trade with clear structural backing. Finally, let's look at the close of the trade. The position is over, and the outcome is locked in. The green pop-up on the screen clearly confirms a successful, profitable execution. Now let's keep this momentum going and find another perfect trade setup. Look at this next market structure. Reversals are incredibly powerful to catch, but even when you filter them with heavy structure, the market can still have the final say. Let's break down exactly how we executed this buy trade and analyze the reality of how price action unfolded. Look at the precise moment our buy order is executed on the left chart. The price was approaching a major horizontal level, and our market structure indicator on the right verified it as a powerful, established support zone. This wasn't just an arbitrary line, it was clear structural proof that the market had reversed here in the recent past. To filter the trade, we waited for a second confirmation. At the very moment the price tapped that support zone, our reversal indicator printed a confirmed buy arrow right at the bottom wick of the candle. The trade was taken immediately upon this perfect confluence. Verified structural support aligned with immediate reversal momentum. Now we see the trade well into progress. and this phase is a perfect example of why trading requires emotional discipline. Look at how the price action on the left chart initially validated our entry point. The subsequent candles started forming green and bullish, pushing nicely above our entry line. During this progress phase, the setup looked absolutely perfect. The momentum from the reversal arrow, combined with the heavy floor of the verified support zone, appeared to be driving the price upward away from the exhaustion wick. We chose a 5-minute expiry on a 1-minute chart to give the market room to breathe. And for the first few minutes, the price respected that upward momentum beautifully. But as professional traders, we know a trade is never over until the final second ticks down. Finally, let's look at the close of the trade, and here is the raw reality. The position is over, and the outcome is locked in. The red pop-up on the screen clearly shows a loss on this position. The market shifted gears, and a sudden surge of selling pressure broke straight through our verified support level in the final seconds of the expiry. The chart shows precisely where the trade closed, ending just a few points below our entry level. This is exactly why we never hide our losses. Losing trades are an inevitable part of a real trading business. Even when you have a perfect confluence of a reversal arrow and a verified support zone, no strategy has a 100% win rate. The key to long-term consistency is keeping your discipline intact, accepting the loss without panic, and moving on to the next structured setup. Now, let's keep our discipline strong and find another perfect trade setup. Let's analyze this next market structure to understand exactly how a systematic approach allows us to find high-probability entry points. When the market is moving fast, retail traders often panic, but by relying on strict technical alignment, we can uncover clean opportunities. Look at the precise moment this buy order is executed on the left chart. The market had been in an aggressive downward decline, printing successive red candles. But look at the right side of the screen where our MetaTrader terminal is running. As the price flushed down, it extended heavily below the previous orange line, which represents a broken support level turned resistance. When price action drops far below recent structural barriers, it enters an extreme exhaustion zone. At that exact moment, our technical filtering tool printed a confirmed blue buy arrow right at the low point of the decline. We entry a 5-minute buy trade right at that level, catching the market when it is highly extended and ready for a technical bounce. Now we look at the trade in full progress, and this is where patience and market understanding keep you grounded. Look at how the chart structure on the left side develops right after our execution. The aggressive selling pressure completely stops, and the market begins building strong, structural green candles. This progress confirms that our exhaustion analysis was completely accurate. The immediate upward reaction shows that buyers stepped into the market precisely where our indicator flagged the entry. We utilize a 5-minute trade expiry on a 1-minute chart for a very specific reason. It allows the market sufficient time to develop multiple candles and fully establish its reversal away from the danger zone. Watching the price cleanly build higher lows during this phase gives us total structural confidence in the setup. Finally, let's look at the close of the trade. The position has officially completed, and the clear green pop-up on the screen confirms a highly successful, profitable outcome. The market held its structure perfectly, ending substantially higher than our entry line and leaving us with a highly secure buffer zone. If you want to download this exact setup to test on your own MetaTrader platform, remember that the free download link for the indicators is available right now in the video description below. If you found this raw, step-by-step breakdown valuable, and want to learn how to master price action without the usual internet hype, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this strategy. Thank you so much for watching, keep your discipline strong, and I will see you in the next video.